Hola, bonjour, ciao, labas, hi. Welcome to eShop Talk. I am Alberto, and today we'll go through something that may seem a little complicated, but can be the key to your success: managing multiple Shopify stores. We will answer the questions: is it possible? When does it make sense? And what challenges does it bring? But before anything else, make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit that bell right next to it to never miss one of our stories. You are probably wondering if having multiple Shopify stores is a thing at all. Yes, it is, but it can get a little bit tricky. You see, technically, Shopify does not allow you to have more than one store under the same account. So that means that to create a new store, you need to create a new account, which in turn means 2 stores, 2 accounts, 2 sets of settings, and 2 paid plans. But at least you get to use the same email address to log into those stores. Still, why would you want to have multiple Shopify stores at all? For most people, having one store to sell the products and promote their brands is more than enough. But besides the potential increase in sales, there are actually several reasons why it would make sense to have more than one shop. First, when you enter in global markets, selling to an international audience may require to adapt your site to a different reality. That means language, currency, habits, or any kind of communication specificities. Second, you may want to create a more personalized experience. Different locations call for unique approaches. You may want to craft your design and your promotions based on local references to better catch your visitors' attention. Third, when you start to sell to different customer segments. That could mean dividing your audience into men and women, or when you start to sell to businesses and individual customers. Whichever it is, you will only benefit from having different approaches. Fourth, when you have too many different categories of products. Imagine that you sell shoes, cell phones, and sunglasses. Maybe you want different stores for that so that your customer is more clear about what kind of store he's walking into. And finally, fifth, having multiple stores can work better for SEO purposes. With a more streamlined and personalized experience provided by the multi-store approach, your customers are encouraged to stay and browse longer in your store. But as cool and promising as it sounds, this multi-store approach comes with a few challenges. For once, processing orders may become harder. Your customers will be placing orders on the same product pool but from different stores. That means that you will need a solid structure and tight processes to avoid confusions, delays, and errors. Then, you will face a challenge of managing inventory across multiple stores. That will require extra attention whenever your customers purchase or return an item, or when you add a product to one of your shops. Creating product data can also get messy, because the structure may be different in each of your shops. And then you have the integration of your multiple stores with your other systems. That will also require some additional effort to ensure that they are kept in harmony. This strategy will increase your SEO challenges too. Having 2 Shopify stores means that you need to put more effort into building 2 strong domains, brands, dealing with site optimization, social media, and so on. In conclusion, being owner of multiple Shopify stores is possible and even beneficial sometimes. But you need to make sure that you actually need them for your business success and consider if you have the necessary resources to manage, promote, and optimize them. This approach can give you an edge when competing with stronger brands that sell everything, or set you to fail. So my best advice to you is this: set your goals, plan your strategy, be thorough, be bold, but always acknowledge the risk. All that said, feel free to watch this video again and as many times as necessary. If you found it useful, if you liked it, show us your love and appreciation by clicking the like button and subscribing to the eShop Talk channel. If you want us to cover any specific topic, if you have something to add, please let me know right there in the comments below. I am Alberto talking eShop, and until next time, keep your sales up!